What a beautiful sound of the bit. And it's out of the park. Rahmanullah. Full toss delivery and find the gap easily. Goes back in the crease. Rahmanullah gurbaz EN4. Coming down the track and over the top. 1-2 bounces over the roof. The over 16 already. Full toss again. Dispatched that for 4. 20 of the over. Wow. What a huge shot into the crowd. And drops in this year. Use of the feet. And another one, same area. And another opportunity in the crowd. And this time,
Tees off down the ground. And some more striking from gurbaz. Slow delivery and slant. Another 6. 26 runs from the over. Glorious hit from gurbaz. And he reaches his half century of highest quality. From the demolisher, destroyer.
fastest 50. The strike rate of 312. Goes high. That is a huge 6 by Rahmanullah gurbaz. 6 number 6 in this inning.
It was moved away on the onside. Oh, this will 4 runs. Full, powerfully. 6. Another third catcher. Clobbered to the onside. Another boundary.
Son, the tournament. Full toss and another 6. Wow. This time, a gift offer from Abdullah Madzai. Fastest century of